Civic is an important gateway vehicle to the Honda brand, and for nearly 5 decades, it has been one of the most popular vehicles in America. Now our all-new 11th generation Civic will raise the bar again in design, fun-to-drive spirit, fuel efficiency, safety, performance, and more. In short, it's our best Civic ever, created with a modern interpretation of timeless Honda values and design philosophy. This means an intense focus on serving the needs of the driver and passengers, a human-centric approach that has always been a hallmark of Honda design. These timeless design concepts are delivered in a fresh and exhilarating new way,